First up, underwater dredging. This Royal IHC backhoe dredger isn't just any excavator, it's built for extreme conditions, effortlessly digging through compacted sediment and heavy materials beneath the surface. Every move must be calculated, as visibility is low and water resistance makes precision even more challenging. This kind of operation is crucial for deepening waterways, maintaining ports, and preventing flooding. Next, let's talk about risky recoveries. Imagine getting stuck in a swampy mess your machine sinking deeper by the second. That's exactly what happened here. But thanks to skillful maneuvering and quick thinking, the operator uses leverage and counterweight techniques to pull this excavator back to solid ground. This kind of operation takes a deep understanding of weight distribution, balance, and most importantly, excavators are sometimes not simply used for mining, industrial agriculture, and construction. Sometimes I think it's like a giant robot that reduces human labor incredibly. It's worth mentioning that the precision here is in millimeters, which humans cannot do. Now, moving a warehouse? That's next level skill. This operator carefully navigates tight spaces, controlling every inch of movement to ensure the structure remains stable. Excavators aren't just for digging, they're crucial for heavy lifting and large-scale logistics. Whether it's repositioning prefabricated buildings or shifting massive logs in snowy conditions, precision is key. Excavators aren't just powerful, they're built to handle extreme conditions. Whether it's clearing snow-covered roads with a 14-ton machine, lifting multi-ton logs in slippery terrain, or retrieving vehicles from dangerous ravines, these machines prove their worth in the toughest environments. But with great power comes great responsibility. That's why experienced operators always prioritize safety using proper lifting techniques, stabilizing their machines, and maintaining constant situational awareness. From underwater excavation to high-risk recoveries, these operators prove that running an excavator is an art. Think you've got what it takes? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more incredible heavy equipment action. This is Forestry Tech, bringing you the best in forestry and heavy machinery content.